Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an often underestimated, but absolutely crucial component for your Lumens digital visualizer or document camera, the FitPow AC power cord cable plug. This isn't just any cord. It's specifically engineered to power your Lumens DC190, DC158, DC211, or DC166 digital visualizer, document camera, projector, or presenter reliably and safely. For professional equipment like a visualizer, a dependable power source is paramount. The FitPow AC power cord truly stands out. Its worldwide input voltage capability, ranging from 100 to 240 VAC at 5060 Hz, makes it incredibly versatile. This means whether you're presenting across different regions or simply moving your setup, your Lumens device receives consistent power without a hitch. This global compatibility is a huge advantage, eliminating power concerns no matter where you are. Beyond versatility, safety is a core feature. This FitPow cord incorporates essential protection: OVP, OCP, and SCP. OVP, or over-voltage output protection, shields your valuable Lumens equipment from damaging voltage spikes. OCP, over current output protection, prevents excessive current flow. And SCP, short circuit output protection, guards against damage from short circuits. These three layers of defense offer significant peace of mind, ensuring your expensive visualizer is protected from common electrical issues. It's a clear indicator of thoughtful engineering and quality. The product information also assures us that these are tested units and are in great working condition. This commitment to quality means you're receiving a product verified for performance and durability right out of the box. For anyone relying on their Lumens device for critical presentations or document capture, this level of reliability is invaluable. The FitPow brand focuses on providing compatible and high-quality power solutions, and this cord for the Lumens DC series exemplifies that dedication. It's designed for a perfect fit, ensuring optimal performance for your specific models. However, it's always wise to follow the recommendation. Double-check your specific Lumens model against the listing before purchasing. This simple step guarantees the correct fit and a seamless experience. In summary, for users of Lumens DC190, DC158, DC211, or DC166 digital visualizers, the FitPow AC power cord cable plug is more than just an accessory. It's an essential upgrade. Its global voltage compatibility, robust safety protections, and proven reliability make it the smartest choice to power your critical presentation equipment, offering significant returns in peace of mind and uninterrupted operation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.